12th Science, Chapter 8, The D and F block elements, Part 2, Characteristics of D block elements. Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notification. As we already know, the transition elements or the D block elements, they are placed in the center of the periodic table. All transition elements are D block elements, but all D block elements are not transition elements. Transition elements are those elements which has incompletely filled d orbitals. They all are metals. They possess certain characteristics. Let us discuss few characteristics of transition elements in this video. The first characteristic shown by transition element is that they show paramagnetism. What is the reason for this paramagnetic nature of transition elements? Transition elements have unpaired electrons, due to which they are able to show paramagnetic character. The magnetic moment of transition elements can be calculated by the formula mu is equal to under root n plus 2, where n is the number of unpaired electrons. For example, in case of Mn plus 2, if we want to calculate the magnetic moment mu, first of all put down the electronic configuration of Mn as a atom 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d5. As you already know, the atomic number of manganese is 25. Plus 2 means 2 electrons are lost from the outermost shell. So here outermost shell is 4s. So the 2 electron gets lost and we get the configuration of Mn as 4s0, 3d5. This is the valence shell. After the electrons are lost from the 4s orbital, s orbital is completely filled, p orbital is completely filled. D orbital, as you know, is having 5 suborbitals and there are 5 electrons which are singly occupied according to Hund's rule of multiplicity. Therefore, mu is equal to under root n is the number of unpaired electrons is 5 and inside n plus 2. Therefore, mu is equal to under root 35. Bm is the unit of magnetic moment, that is Bohr magneton. Now let us move on to the next property. Transition elements are capable of forming a number of complexes with organic and inorganic compounds. Transition elements can form complexes. Because of presence of unpaired electrons in the incompletely filled d orbitals, they can readily react with both organic as well as inorganic compounds. Third characteristics of transition elements. Transition elements have high melting and boiling point. They are having high melting and boiling point. What is the reason for this high melting and boiling point? The melting and boiling point depends upon the strength of the metallic bond. Since there is involvement of greater number of electrons from n-1 d orbitals in addition to ns orbital, strong metallic bonds are formed and as a result more energy is required to break the bond. Fourth characteristic of transition element is that they show very small decrease in atomic radii. As we have already studied that when we move from left to right in a period, the atomic size decreases because every time electrons are added into the same shell, the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell remains constant, and nucleus is able to attract the outer electrons strongly. But in case of transition element, we find that there is small decrease in atomic radii. Even though with the increase in atomic number, more and more nuclear charges are being added into the atom, but still the decrease in atomic radii is very small. The reason behind is the screening effect or the shielding effect. The electrons, when they are filled in d orbitals, repel among each other, and to avoid this repulsion, the inner electrons are pushed inside and outer electrons are pushed outside. Therefore, the nucleus is unable to attract the outer electrons, resulting in very small decrease in atomic radii. The fifth characteristic which is shown by transition element is they show metallic character, exhibits metallic character. As you already know, metallic character is shown by metals, and metals have the tendency to lose electrons. So these transition elements, they are having unpaired electrons, and because of shielding effect, the ionization enthalpy is also very low. So electrons can be lost easily to form cations. Hence, transition elements exhibit typical metallic properties like malleability, ductility, metallic luster, etc. The sixth property, the sixth characteristic of transition element is that transition elements shows irregular variation in ionization enthalpy. The normal trend is that as we move from left to right in a period, ionization enthalpy increases as the atomic size decreases. But here, as the atomic number increases, the electrons are filled in the same shell. The distance between the nucleus and the outermost electron is also constant. But because of shielding effect, the nucleus is unable to attract the outer electrons properly, and this results in the variation in their ionization enthalpy. Now let us understand these characteristics in detail with the help of these slides.